Hello everyone, and welcome. After exploring a wide range of text-to-speech tools online, I finally found one that truly stands out, Google Vertex AI Studio. In this video, I'll show you how to convert plain text into natural-sounding speech using Google's advanced AI technology. We'll explore how it works, try different voice settings, and then I'll walk you through the exact steps to set it up. But before we get into the details, let's start with a quick demo. Here's an example of what we'll be creating today.
In this video, I'll show you how to convert text to speech.
Pretty natural, isn't it? That's generated entirely through Vertex AI Studio, with no human voice involved. In the right-hand side panel, you can choose different settings. There are 3 models you can choose from, including Chirp 3, Gemini 2.5 Flash, Gemini 2.5 Pro. Use Chirp 3 when you need a consistent voice or to clone your own voice by providing audio samples. Use Gemini 2.5 Flash for real-time speed. It's the fastest option for conversational AI where you control the emotion with simple prompts. Use Gemini 2.5 Pro for the highest quality and emotional complexity. It's the best at understanding difficult, nuanced prompts such as speak in a sarcastic, disappointed tone, but it takes longer to generate the audio. There are more than 80 languages and variants to choose from. Most of them are in GA status, which stands for General Availability, meaning they are fully tested, stable, and ready for release to the general public through standard channels. There are also 30 voice options, including both male and female voices. Now, let's try generating the same voice we used earlier, but this time using the Gemini 2.5 Pro model with a custom instruction to make the audio sound happy and friendly. And this is the result.
In this video, I'll show you how to convert text to speech.
Sounds pretty good again, right? To use Vertex AI Studio for text-to-speech, you'll need a Google Cloud account. Here's how to set everything up. Firstly, go to console.cloud.google.com and create a new project. Next, add a billing account or credit card. Google provides $300 in free credits in the first 3 months for new users, so you can experiment without paying. After adding your credit card, the most important step is to enable the Cloud Text-to-Speech API by searching for it in the search bar. Remember to choose Cloud Text-to-Speech API, not speech-to-text, as they look quite similar. Once the API is enabled, you're ready to convert text to speech. Now, let's review the key advantages and limitations of using Vertex AI Studio. Vertex AI Studio uses Google's low-level APIs, making it more affordable than most third-party tools because you're using it directly through Google's services. The Chirp 3 model is free for the first 1 million characters per month, which is approximately 18 to 20 hours of audio. The next 1 million characters for the Chirp 3 model cost $30. However, there are some limitations. In Vertex AI Studio, you can only enter up to 500 characters at a time. This means you'll need to generate and download multiple files if you want to convert a long text to speech. You can overcome this 500-character limit by calling the API directly. Thank you for watching. This is the end of the video. If you're interested in learning how to overcome the 500-character limit by calling the API directly, drop a comment, give this video a like, and subscribe. I'll make another video to guide you through the process.